Ha Fèis Phàislig na bríonn cúil is jallain a ha stéigte an an páislig, agus a bheits a tchicas ceol tradiisianta agus Gaelic de bhúine óga. Ha céile ar chuairst na codam de luch cúil idir 6 blana déag agus 5 blana gúis, a ha a géirí blwasit íon bheithe a bheits ag neacht cúil tradiisianta.
I wanted to apply for Ceilidh Trail because only recently have I started to actually think about becoming a proper musician, and I wanted to get that experience of living like a proper musician and being on tour.
I was looking for a form of summer job and some experience because I'm going to go study music in September, and I was recommended by a friend that this was a really exciting opportunity to get some gigging exposure.
The Ceilidh Trail invites young people who already play or sing to a high standard to audition and spend time developing their skills with our Fèis tutors, building confidence and experience as part of a group.
The Ceilidh Trail really starts with the musicians auditioning. After that, then we go into the rehearsal stage, so they meet up for rehearsals. They talk about what it is we're going to do, where we're going to play, what kind of audiences we're going to play to, what kind of material we need to get together.
The rehearsal process has been really amazing. I've found that we've become really close, and it's so collaborative and open for everybody to share their own ideas.
Rehearsals was really fun. We worked through tunes that we liked and put them together and made up arrangements for them, and it was a really nice way to get our sets together for Ceilidh Trail.
The project culminates in a 2-week summer tour, performing at festivals, community events and Ceilidh.
So it gives you a bit of insight onto what being a musician is actually all about. So the travelling and then the setting up, the performing, being able to travel all around Glasgow, all around even up to Highlands, Scotland, a couple of the islands, you know what I mean? So you can't ask for anything more.
Mar fairste Ceilidh ar chuairst, fásaí an luch cúil eolach ar ceolatareach, agus cearst an áirt úldar, agus iad an sás haispeantas an beo iad tain.
Being part of the Ceilidh Trail has been one of the most enjoyable and exciting experiences of my life. However, I will say that getting home after each gig, after each night, I have just flopped onto my bed. My family has complained that I have been very boring because I've been so exhausted.
Músaí a bhíonn cuideach mar a chluichar ceol damsaí, mar a thuichar PA, agus mar a dhéantas mar a cheolachcha an an Gaelic.
Before doing Ceilidh Trail, I had never called a Ceilidh dance before, so doing Ceilidh Trail really helped me with the ability to do that and understand how to actually properly call a dance so that the dancers can understand what they're meant to be doing.
And hard and back, 2, 3, and your outside partner's bend, and round, switch, start again, and you're forward, 2, 3.
You're not always going to have your PA set up somewhere. You're going to have to travel with it, and that's a whole nother problem, you know what I mean? Trying to fit everything into 1 or 2 wee cars, so figuring out all those problems, that was a good experience.
The project is a valuable opportunity for young musicians considering a future in traditional music or performance to challenge themselves and gain real-world experience.
Back, 2, 3, up, out to the side, back, into the middle, side, side, back, and booga, you got it.
Before the project, I had only thought about my future in music a little bit, but then after the project, now I'm sure I want to become a professional musician, as in it properly being my career.
Yeah, 100%. It's really helped me think about my future this trail because it's opened my eyes to the different types of gigging and performance that you can do if you're a trad musician.
So the most rewarding part of my role is just to see how the musicians develop their interaction on and off stage as well. It's really just great to see them grow and learn as the Ceilidh Trail progresses.
To anyone who's thinking of applying to Ceilidh Trail next year, I would just say do it. It is an awesome experience that you will not regret in any way.
If someone was to ask me if they wanted to apply for Ceilidh Trail next year, I'd tell them to do it. I really enjoy it, and I'm sure anyone else would as well.
For more information about this project or any of our activities, please visit our website faisphàislig.com.